Hi, welcome to this short video on app smashing book creator with Soundtrap. So app smashing is a term coined by Greg Kulick, where you take two apps, two edtech tools, and combine them to create an awesome project. So this is an example of what it could look like. This is a book creator front page with a demo song from Soundtrap. And so now I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. So I'm going to go to my projects in Soundtrap. I'm going to Google book chat because I have a book chat and I want to do kind of that kind of style. So I'm going to click on the three dots and click download as an MP3. So I've downloaded it. It's on my computer. Now I'm going to go to Book Creator. This is Book Creator, and I'm going to edit my book. So I'm going to click the plus button at the top and go to More and Files, because the file is on my computer. And I'm going to choose the book chat. And as it's downloading and kind of loading, I'm going to add the other parts. So I'm going to add my text. Book review of Darius the Great is not okay. That's the book that I talk about. I can change that if I wanted to make it cooler. I can add an image. So it's based on a book in Iran. So I have this cool image, or let me do the city. This is a pretty one. So I'm going to add. And so now I have an image, I have audio, and you'll see here, this is the book that I'm going to be talking about is called Darius the Great is Not Okay. So that is my book chat in Book Creator. I hope you enjoy. And I hope that you get to try this out with your students. Maybe have them do book chats, maybe do a podcast with a cover. There's so many things that they can do. Maybe they can write an audio book and then put it in Book Creator, and they can be their own storytellers.